CanBest LED display include front and rear maintenance, which means maintenance and inspection are performed from the front or back of the cabinets. The advantage of front maintenance is to save space. There is no need to leave too much space as a maintenance channel. When the LED display fails, just remove the module from the front, and the problem module can be repaired, making maintenance more convenient. Usually used in conference rooms, control rooms, and also suitable for outdoor scenes, where maintenance space cannot be reserved. Rear maintenance requires the design of a maintenance channel to replace and repair the problematic module from behind the screen. Mostly used in outdoor large-scale LED displays, like wall mounting, roof, column and other scenarios, allows user to maintain the screen safely and conveniently. All indoor products from CanBest support front maintenance, and there are a variety of outdoor LED displays that support both front and rear maintenance. Flexible maintenance methods are provided for various installation methods. Users can choose different products according to actual conditions to achieve the best performance. CanBest, your best choice of LED display.